As a young mom with 2 small children and what sometimes feels like a very busy life, I can get so quickly distracted by the to-do list, by the busy schedule, or even just by things that I'm excited to learn, that I can quickly forget the priceless gift of raising my kids and the priceless gift of spending time with them. If you struggle with this, or even if you struggle with the lies that the world is constantly pumping into us about motherhood, about being a woman, about our children, then I really hope you find these quotes that I'm going to be sharing today inspiring, because I certainly find them to be so inspiring and I need them as a reminder constantly. This first quote that I'm going to be sharing with you actually came from my mother-in-law. She shared this with me on Mother's Day and I thought it was so encouraging and beautiful. I wanted to share it with you all. Mamas, see how important your role is? Even with babies and toddlers, you are literally shaping who they will be. Babyhood is cute and cuddly. It is also sometimes long and frustrating. Those little grunting, bald, needy people practically dictate your every moment. But your smile, your hugs, your laughs, your patience, these simple things are your baby's whole world. It means everything to them. And really, it's not just babies, but that's where it starts. This is monumental, and trust me, it passes so quickly. This next one is by G.K. Chesterton, and I heard it for the first time a couple of years ago and loved it. I can understand how mothering might exhaust the mind, but I cannot imagine how it could narrow it. How could it be a large career to tell other people's children about arithmetic, and a small career to tell one's own children about the universe? How could it be broad to be the same thing to everyone, and narrow to be everything to someone?
Show me your flowers. What do you have? Which one's your favorite?
This one and that one and that one and that one and that one.
No, a woman's function is laborious because it is gigantic, not because it is small. I will pity Mrs. Jones for the hugeness of her task. I will never pity her for its smallness.
Can you turn and look at me and smile?